Apple CarPlay. Using Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay lets you use selected iPhone apps directly from your Volvo's center display. This means that you can enjoy music and podcasts from apps such as Spotify and Podcasts. A prerequisite for using Apple CarPlay is that Siri voice control is activated on your iPhone. To do this, go to your iPhone's General Settings. Then, connect your iPhone to your car using a USB cable. The car's USB port is placed in the center console. If it is the first time you connect your iPhone to Apple CarPlay, you need to accept the terms and conditions for using this app. If your phone is connected to your Volvo via Bluetooth, click Yes to deactivate that connection. If you want to continue to use Census connectivity features in parallel, your car needs to be connected via smartphone, Wi-Fi hotspot, or via personal SIM card. When connected, the CarPlay app is located in the Applications view in the center display. Tap Apple CarPlay to make your iPhone apps that are approved by Apple appear in the fourth tile. To activate Siri, press and hold the voice control button on the steering wheel. Podcasts Top Charts. And select from the list The Growth Show, Seth Godin. To exit an app, just press the white Home button placed bottom left side. For more information about Apple CarPlay in your Volvo, please visit support.volvocars.com.